In today's video, we are going to learn generally spoken sentences and its translation in Hindi, Tamil, Telugu and Kannada. 5 languages in one channel. Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Learn to speak multiple languages through the help of my channel videos. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe immediately and turn on all notifications to get updated for my upcoming videos. Do not skip the video, watch the video till end. Don't tickle me. Let's learn to say this in Hindi. Mujhe gudgudi mat karo. Let's move on to Tamil. Yanakku kichi kichi pannada. Now in Telugu, Naku chakalagintalu pettaddu. And in Kannada, Nanage kachaguli madabeda. Let's move on to number 2. I want to see you. So let's learn to say this in Hindi. मैं तुम्हें देखना चाहता हूँ. Let's learn in Tamil. நான் உன்னை பார்க்கணும். In Telugu, నేను నిన్ను చూడాలనుకుంటున్నాను or నేను నిన్ను చూడాలి. Now in Kannada, ನಾನು ನಿನ್ನನ್ನು ನೋಡಬೇಕು. Now let's move on to number 3. Will you come? Let's learn this in Hindi. क्या आप आओगे और क्या तुम आओगे? In Tamil, नी वरुविया और नींग वरुवींगला. In Telugu, मीरू वस्तारा और नुव्वु वस्तावा. नीनु बर्तिया और नीवु बर्तीरा. So that's in Kannada. Let's move on to the 4th one. Where are you going? तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो? So this was in Hindi. Now in Tamil, நீங்க எங்க போறீங்க? So that's in Tamil. Now in Telugu, మీరు ఎక్కడికి వెళ్తున్నారు or నువ్వు ఎక్కడికి వెళ్తున్నావు? In Kannada, ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ or ನೀನು ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀಯಾ? Number 5. Do you want? In Hindi, क्या तुम्हें चाहिए? क्या तुम्हें चाहिए? In Tamil, உனக்கு வேண்டுமா? உனக்கு வேண்டுமா? Let's move on to Telugu. నీకు కావాలా? నీకు కావాలా? And in Kannada, ನಿನಗೆ ಬೇಕಾ or ನಿಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾ? Now let's move on to number 6. Love yourself. Love yourself. Now let's have a look at Hindi. खुद से प्यार करो. खुद से प्यार करो, which means love yourself. In Tamil, உங்களை நேசிக்கவும். So this was in Tamil. Now in Kannada, నిన్ను నువ్వు ప్రేమించు, which means love yourself in Telugu. And in Kannada, ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ನೀವು ಪ್ರೀತಿಸಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ನೀವು ಪ್ರೀತಿಸಿ. Let's move on to number 7. Where is your house? Now let's have a look at Hindi. तुम्हारा घर कहाँ है? Or you can also ask as आपका घर कहाँ है? Now in Tamil, உங்க வீடு எங்க இருக்கு? Let's move on to Telugu. మీ ఇల్లు ఎక్కడ ఉంది? మీ ఇల్లు ఎక్కడ ఉంది? Now let's have a look at Kannada. Next, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ or ನಿನ್ನ ಮನೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? So you can say in any of these ways. So how was today's video? Was it interesting or informative? Please do comment me. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe. If you like this video, hit a like and share with your friends and family members. Kindly turn on all notifications to get updated for my upcoming videos. Watch my channel's many other videos which are available in my channel playlist. Stay connected to explore the journey of multiple language learning. So that's all for today. Let's catch up with next wonderful video with another fascinating topic. Till then, it's your channel host signing off. Bye-bye and thanks for watching. See you all again in the next video.